I've never talked about some of the camera accessories that I use on a regular basis. So today I thought I'd share with you what I consider as must-haves in your bag. I'll have links to all of the things I'm talking about in the description if you want to check them out. The strap I've used for years to carry around my heavier full-frame camera is the Peak Design camera strap. I use this more when I'm thinking about travel photography, maybe going on a short trip or just something out for the day quick, especially when I'm with the family. They don't want to be bothered with me trying to set up tripods and things like that, so using this strap really comes in handy. They make the Slide and the Slide Light, and I have both, and I use the heavier one for my Sony a7R IV, and I also have the Slide Light, which my daughter actually uses a lot more for the Sony a7C. I love the wider one because it really does have a nice cushion on it. I've had it for years as they're so durable. The quick release anchors are one of the reasons that I love how all of the Peak Design products integrate so smoothly. I can take it off the strap quickly and then maybe switch to a tripod if I want. Which brings me to the next item, the Peak Design Travel Tripod. I have the aluminum one, which is about $200 cheaper than the carbon fiber. And don't get me wrong, I want the carbon, but I do love how compact and still how reasonably light the aluminum one is. For me, the top two things I love about this tripod for travel are how easy it is to set up and the ergonomics of the ball head. I can easily switch it from landscape to portrait without having to detach anything. It's also super sturdy. I do carry a little L-bar that I can tighten the locks if I need to, which I have had to do a few times. But it can steadily hold my full-frame camera and all of my lenses. It's light enough for me, but if you really want to lighten your load when you're traveling, then I would upgrade to the carbon fiber version. I'm on the fence about it because if I upgrade, it would probably be to the carbon fiber, more durable tripod, specifically made for landscape photography. So I'm content with saving the money here. Another essential item for me is the Peak Design Capture Camera Clip. I love how this allows me to walk or hike hands-free. It's a quick button release, so it's always right there when I need it. It's a tight fit on my low pro backpack, which has wide straps, but it's very comfortable and I don't even know it's there. You don't feel the clip pressing against your shoulder. It's maybe a little on the pricey side, but I would say it's worth it. The alternatives are so much bulkier. What makes this unique is its compact size. To back up the thousands of pictures that I take, I use the Samsung T7 SSD portable drive. I've been using the T7 Shield recently, and I love the durable rubber casing it's in. I have a little added sense of comfort from the rubber padding when I'm hiking or traveling with it, but it does make it difficult to label it with stickies like you can easily do with the metal ones. It's absolutely worth the investment though. Up until now, I've used Element's portable HDD external hard drive, but I heard a horror story from a photographer friend of mine about how she dropped her HDD drive and all the files were gone. It makes sense because they have so many moving parts in it that things are bound to fail at some point. So I switched from this to this. I learned from her mistakes and I now use the T7s. I always keep a sensor cleaning kit with me now. I may not take care of my gear as much as I should, but I've learned that carrying a travel kit will save me editing time later on. Until Lightroom figures out how to remove dust spots, you'll want to get yourself a little UES kit. It's also a lens cleaner and it comes in a convenient travel kit. Full frame sensor cleaning swab, there's an air blower, microfiber cloth, lens cleaning pen. So let me know down below what accessories you're using. Everyone has different setups and I love learning about some new gadget or tool that might either make my life easier or help me to be more creative when I'm out there shooting. If you want to see what lens helps me stay in a creative place, check out this video.